Welcome to Karis's Kitchen Show.
Tell me what you're making today.
I'm making waffles.
Tell me, say first you put in.
First you put in the milk. And then second, crack in the egg.
It's fun. There you go.
Thinking more eggs just a little bit.
But there. Okay.
Now, add a cup of oil.
Not a cup.
I mean
2
teaspoon.
tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of oil. 1, 2.
Put that in the garbage cup. And then 2 cups of Bisquick.
Then 2 cups of Bisquick.
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 Okay, dump it in. Don't let it get wet. Okay, one more.
One more. Bisquick.
Dump it all out.
And then
Stir.
stir.
Stir. You gotta keep them entertained.
Whisk it, whisk it, whisk it.
You gotta keep talking during your cooking.
And presto. It's looking like a waffle mix. If you could see, you know what it looks like, really.
You want to get a shot of it? Chef Karis? Uh-huh. Looking good.
Separate the raw eggs. And then just keep stirring and stirring and stirring until it gets all white.
Should the lumps be out or no?
Yes. What?
They don't have to.
No, they don't really have to be. If you want to, they can.
If you want to, they can.
Now I'm going to put them onto the waffle mix. Okay. Look, and presto.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching.